Welcome. In this video, we are going to see power calculations in AM wave, carrier power, sideband powers and total power. Total transmitted power of AM wave. Amplitude modulated signal can be written as S of t equal to AC cos 2 pi FCT plus mu AC by 2 cos 2 pi Fc minus Fm of t plus mu AC by 2 cos 2 pi Fc plus Fm of t. This wave has three components: unmodulated carrier, lower sideband and upper sideband. Derivation is there in the previous video. The total power of AM wave is the sum of carrier power and powers in the two sidebands, that is PUSB and PLSB. PT equal to PC plus PUSB plus PLSB. Average carrier power RMS value Vrms equal to Vm by root 2. Here it is in the terms of AC. So we can write it as AC RMS equal to AC by root 2. Power equal to V square RMS divided by R in terms of carrier. PC equal to AC square RMS divided by R. That can be substituted and we can get it as AC divided by root 2 all square divided by R. PC equal to AC square divided by 2R. The average sideband power PUSB equal to PLSB equal to mu AC by 2 divided by root 2 all square all divided by R, that is equal to mu AC by 2 root 2 all square divided by R. We can simplify this: mu square AC square divided by 2 square into 2 divided by R, mu square AC square divided by 2 square, that is 4 into 2 divided by R. That can be written as PUSB equal to PLSB equal to mu square AC square divided by 8R. The average total power equal to PT equal to PC plus PUSB plus PLSB. PC, that is AC square divided by 2R, PUSB plus PLSB, already we got it as mu square AC square divided by 8R, that we can substitute instead of PUSB and PLSB. Mu square AC square divided by 8R plus mu square AC square divided by 8R. The common terms AC square divided by 2R can be taken it outside, and the remaining terms 1 plus mu square divided by 4 plus mu square divided by 4. We can solve it: AC square divided by 2R into 1 plus mu square divided by 2. Finally, we get it as PT equal to PC 1 plus mu square divided by 2, because AC square 2R is nothing but PC. For 100% modulation, mu equal to 1. PT equal to PC 1 plus, instead of mu can be written as 1. So 1 square divided by 2. When we solve it, we get it as PC 3 by 2. PC equal to 0.66 PT. In AM wave, 66.66% of the transmitted power is used by the carrier signal and remaining 33.33% of the power is used by the sidebands. In simple terms, we can say 2 by 3rd of total power is consumed by carrier. Thanks for watching. Take care.